Hi everyone. In this lecture, we will add the PHP built-in web server to our PHP server container. To do that, we will use the Dockerfile instruction expose to expose the 8000 port of the container. Let's get started. First, we need to run when the container is up and running, we want the Docker engine to run the PHP built-in server for us. So we need to run the built-in web server. And the command is PHP, and the second argument is, the first argument is -s, and then the address and the port we input in 0.0.0.0. That actually this IP address will point to the Docker container, and the port is 8000. So we will need to expose the port so that we can visit the web server from our local machine or from the host computer. Expose 8000. Okay. After we made copy, we don't need to copy because we will use the volumes to set up the synchronize between the local file system and the Docker file system. So let's build the image. This time I will give it a tag v2. Let's look at here. Okay, the image is built. Next, let's run this image. Run, and we will set the option here, PHP server v2, and the ports. For the container ports, you see when we add the expose 8000 in our doc file, we will be able to see here we will see the container port here. Let's for the local host port, let's input maybe 9000. Okay, and the host path, let's copy it from here. Copy path and paste in. And for the container path, we copy from the work dir value. Paste. Now we run the container. Okay, you see the container is up and running. The local machine, we use the 9000. And for the container local built-in web server, it's listening on the 8000 port. So let's try to request the PHP files from our local server. Let's see. Let's request the u.php here. The port is 8000 or 9000. the u.php. As you can see, the u.php, the content is the message from u.php, and here on the browser we see the same message.